What's up, you guys? This is your boy Josh of Basic Value, and I'm gonna show you today how to create rain or snow effects on Scratch. Now, as you can see right here, I already have created the effect. So basically, how to do this one is this first part of code. This is gonna be the initiator or the on and off switch of your code. So it's gonna be the green flag block, then hide, then forever creating a clone of this sprite right here, and then wait zero point 0.1 seconds. Then the next one is the code for the movement of the snow or rain. So basically, this is the code. So when I start as a clone, you want to get this motion block, go to X, then pick random, negative 240 to 240, then Y should be 250, then show. Then forever looped, change Y by negative 5, then change X by picking random from negative 1 to positive 1. And then if it touches the ground or if it touches the sprite 2, which is this one, wait 1 second and delete the clone. So this is what happens when I click the green flag. So as you can see, it's snowing. Now, what about rain? So in rain, you just simply have to switch the sprite. So let's say, for example, I switch the sprite, like I erase it and then I use a very thin rectangle. So let's try to use this, and then the fill should be white, of course. All right, let me just correct this one right here. So it needs to be white. All right, and then I'm gonna go for blue right here. The outline should be blue, of course. Or let's just fill this one with blue, like the inside. Okay, so that should do the trick. I don't know why it's not changing, but anyways, just to show you that it works. So that should how the rain look like. So that's all on how to create a snow or rain effect in Scratch. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please do not forget to subscribe because I'm making a lot of more videos that are coming your way that is absolutely going to help your Scratch project. This is your boy Josh of Basic Value. I'm going to be seeing you on the next one. Peace out.